Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to return a product on Temu. So if you recently purchased a product, guys, and for some reason you want to return it because it's faulty or whatever, you can easily go ahead and find how to do it on Temu. So go ahead and click on you at the bottom once you're in the app, and you want to first click in your orders. Once you click in your orders, you'll find all of your orders per things that you have purchased. And below those products, you will find a return or refund option. So depending on how long ago you purchased it, you'll be able to return it. So let's take the first one as an example. If I tap on that, you see that there is a set date that I had to return, which was refund window was closed on March 29 right there. So it was still open. I'll be able to go ahead and request a refund. And you also see important information there that says sorry, the 90-day return window has passed. So you normally have a 90-day return window, so you have to keep that in mind. And so this is the time it takes for you to actually return any product. You click and you'll realize that it shows you the same message. So it has to be less than the 90 days, and you'll also have the option to see when it's closed as well. But if you have any product that you're eligible, you'll be able to quickly go ahead and do a return refund on those products. And that's it, guys.